everybody, welcome to my video today. It's the first Monday of the month, which means our Simply Layered kits, they are launching today. So if you are not familiar with what this is, let me explain. Let me walk you through it. The very first Monday of the month opens up the pre-order for our Simply Layered kits. Now I do this with Chris. Many of you guys know she comes on my lives and comments, and then we've done a couple videos together. We design these kits together. I design the 12 by 12 traditional layout. She designs a card and a 3D project, and we refer to these as our Simply Layered kits. So this is the way it works. This is the layout for this month. Her card and her bonus project will be on my blog post, which will be linked in the YouTube description below. You can check it out and go over and see what her card looks like and what her bonus project or her 3D project looks like. I just happen to not have them with me. And what happens is the first 2 weeks of the month is our pre-order period, which means when you place a $50 order or more using the host code, which I'll put right here, you get this kit, the card kit, and the 3D kit all for free. Now, we don't ship anything that's 12 by 12. So you don't get the 12 by 12 cardstock and you don't get the designer paper because that's 12 by 12. And it's really very, very expensive to ship 12 by 12 anything. And already to just ship the kits, it costs almost $5 to drop a kit in the mail to you, and we don't charge you for that. You get the kits for free when you place a $50 order. So a little bit of just the back end information of how that works. So we don't ship anything that's 12 by 12. So in order to put together your project, you are definitely going to want to purchase the designer paper and then the 12 by 12 paper, the cardstock that we're using. So what we always try to do is use 1 pack of cardstock for a couple layouts in a row. So last month we used Lovely Lipstick for our layout, and this month we're using Grapefruit Grove. So those two cardstock colors are in the same pack. So if you purchased a cardstock pack last month, you probably won't have to purchase it this month. You get all of the layers. So you get the cardstock layers. This month you're gonna get all of these circles. You're gonna get the green flowers. Over here you're gonna get all of these circles for this layout right here. And then we always have a suggested supply list, and that's linked below, and it's over on my blog post. And that suggested supply list are the supplies that you will absolutely need to have on hand to finish the layout exactly how we have it. So you'll need the Blooms, Happiness Blooms designer paper. This is from a specific stamp set. So if you want to put it together exactly how we're showing you and exactly how the card kit is and exactly how the 3D item is, there's going to be some things that you're going to need. We always keep that suggested supply list around $50, and so that it's not so expensive. So the way it works is the pre-order will go for the next 2 weeks. You pre-order by using the host code and you purchase any product you want. So any product from any of the catalogs that you want. The suggested supply list this month is going to be the Bloom by Bloom items. So you'll see right here in the Occasions catalog, it's this stamp set here, the designer paper, there's a cardstock pack. So any of this stuff is going to be the suggested supply list. Whenever you spend $50 or more, you're going to get a free item out of the Celebration catalog. So there's lots of different items that you can choose from to purchase or to get for free. And then so you place your order, you use that host code. That host code indicates to me that you want this kit for free. So very important that you use that host code. Otherwise, your order comes through and it just looks like a regular order, and I'm unaware that you want the kit. So after the 2-week period ends, I close up that host code, I wrap all of that up, and I order any supplies that I need, because you do get cardstock here, you get this stuff here, so I will need to put in an order for any supplies that I need based on how many kits are requested. And then I ship those out to you. You get an email the 3rd week of the month you will get an email with a link. That link will take you to a page on my website where you will see a video that walks you through all of the product. I usually try to walk you through the product. I give you tips and tricks and ideas on what photos you're going to put in here, what's going to work best. It's kind of like an overview, and I try to help you guys have some themes and items to think about in your documenting. Then you have a video of me putting the layout together. Then there is a video that Chris does putting her card together. And then there is a video that she does putting her 3D project together. And you get all of that in one place. You get that link. And then the following week, we ship out all of the kits. It takes us a little bit of time to cut and prep everything. Your kits come very well packaged. They have instructions on them. It says, you know, there's a package for side A, a package for side B. Everything is individually packaged and ready to go so that you have no problems putting your layout together. And same with your card kit and your 3D item. So right now we're opening up pre-order. Again, all you have to do is spend $50 or more and you'll get the kit for free. If you would just like the video and the PDF, there's a link for that. If you would just like the kit and you don't want anything else, you don't want to have to place an order, you can get that for $25, or you can just spend the money, get the product that you're going to need, and you'll get the kits, all the kits for free. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Leave me a comment below, and then make sure you check out my blog post so you can see Chris's projects and then a of the timeline that takes place. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll be back tomorrow with a Facebook rewind, and then I'll catch you on Wednesday for another project.